Here we will discuss long sound of vowel. If there is E at the end of the word and there is another vowel before this E, then it will become magical E. And if there is a magical E, then we will use the long sound of the vowel before this magical E. Like k, ek. The long sound of A is A, and here E is at the end of the word, and because of magical E, we will use the long sound of A. K, A, k, cake. H, I, v, hive. If there is a magical E, then we will not read the sound of this E, but we will use the long sound of previous vowel. N, O's, nose. K, on, cone.
I'm, time. Ave, wave. Kite, kite. On, bone. Ace, vase. Eyed, ride.